Was my dad's business that he started in '62. He incorporated in '72. I started working for him when I was 18, so 1983. I think growing up, the one I think advantage that I had is, my dad who started this, he was also a race car driver. So he ran a top fuel race car that was called the Iron Horse. So we spent a lot of time watching him work on that and do things like that. So I didn't do a lot of that alongside of him, but I watched him. So he was very intriguing to watch and fix and build, that type of thing. I didn't really think it would go anywhere with it, but as far as watching him was really important to me, and that's how that kind of settled in here. One thing that, that was really instilled in me was like, if you say you're gonna do something, then you're gonna do it. And if you're gonna do it, you do it right the first time, so you don't have to do it again. He was a very, very good teacher of, this is what we need to do, and this is how we do it, and you do it right. And, and make sure that everyone is happy with it, so you don't have to go back and fix anything, or it doesn't interfere with anybody else. So that was a big part of it, was just a huge lesson, because, do it once and be done with it. And that's why we will always be like, if I tell you what I'm going to do, then that's what we're going to do. And if something, happens as far as like a material product defect or something like that, we will take care of it. Within 48 hours, not a problem. That will be interesting. They're still young, but it is an option, and I want them to go to school. They know they have to go to school. I want them to find their passion, and if they end up here, then that's great, and if not, that'll be great too.